at the Country Estate in Williamson, Georgia. Coming to see Matthew and Jonathan. There's their shade area, which looks really good. Nice coral bells. We still have some tomatoes, just a few. Impatiens look good. Begonias. Nice and healthy. A million bells. Ajuga. This is the one that everybody wants. Looks really good. Bananas. Got some pothos, tropicals. They are loaded down. There's their walk-in iris. Looks good. Those things will root if they hit the ground. Staghorn ferns. Some proven winter hostas. Spider plants. We got some woodland iris. These are the perennial hibiscus. Looks really good. Some hostas. More hostas. There's their field of daylilies. That looks really good. Just starting to bloom here. Got some Japanese maple seedlings. Looks really good. Let's go over to the other side. See where their logo comes from. This looks really good. Look at those begonias. Beautiful. Very nice. Coleus and coral bells. Looks really good. Some loropetalum. Nice hostas. Camellias. Really nice. Really nice. Nice coleus. There's that ajuga. Lenten rose. Some nice herb garden here. Got some Asiatics and some Orientals. Million bells look good. Lots of places to sit at this place. Good photographs. They have several Junes on site. They look really good. Their blue angels look really good. He said he's going to dig this one up here and redo it. Here's their little Zen garden. Waterfall. More June. Rhododendron. Another place to sit. Looks really good. Another place to sit. Bromeliads looking good. Big Paul's Glory back there. Big Victory. They have this running at night. This looks really good. Big old Victory here. Nice little walking path. That's pretty much it, guys. Big old Abiqua. So that's the country estate in Williamson, Georgia. Come on out. It's super nice.